What's up my friends? In this video I'm showing you how to make one of my own cocktails, the Negroni del Jerez. To make this drink is super easy. All we have to do is to build our ingredients straight into one double old-fashioned glass. Let's start by adding 20 ml of Campari, 40 ml of this wonderful Spanish brandy from the region of Jerez in Spain, 10 ml of coffee liqueur that is going to add a nice sweetness and flavor to our drink. Finally, 20 ml of Oloroso Sherry that actually comes from the same region as the brandy. Now let's add plenty of ice into our glass and stir everything for around 30 seconds to mix the ingredients, to give it a proper dilution and temperature. I'm using an orange zest to express the essential oils to give it a nice citrusy aroma, and then basically just place the zest inside your glass and there you have it, the Negroni del Jerez. Alright, time to take a sip from our Negroni del Jerez. And that is super delicious. If you like the Negroni and coffee, then this is something you should definitely try. Also, if you'd like to learn more about the classic Negroni cocktail, then you should definitely check our video with a bit of history and tips on how to make the drink super easy at home. Also, if you like the video and like what we do here, then make sure to subscribe, give us a like, and see you next time. Have a nice sip. Cheers!